Do you want to know how to make a donut chart on Graphpad Prism? You came to the right place. Welcome to BioInfo Tips. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a donut chart using Graphpad Prism. Donut charts are a great way to represent parts of a whole while keeping a sleek, professional look. Let's dive in. Once your project is open, head over to the New Data table and Graph option. Select Column to enter data for a simple one-variable chart. Here, you'll add your categories along with the values representing each segment of your donut chart. Let's say we're creating a donut chart showing proportions of research funding across different departments. In the first column, add your categories, for instance, biology, chemistry, and physics. In the next column, add the corresponding values, such as the funding amount or percentage. After entering your data, it's time to choose the chart type. Go to the Graph section and select the pie chart option. From here, you'll see the option to select Donut Chart Style. This creates that familiar ring-shaped chart, highlighting each category as a portion of the whole. Now, let's personalize the chart. Graphpad Prism allows you to adjust colors, labels, and the width of the donut hole. Click on Format Graph and then Colors to choose a color scheme. You can either set colors manually or use one of Graphpad's pre-made color palettes for consistency. You can also adjust the width of the center hole to make the donut thinner or thicker. This can help emphasize or minimize the visual impact of the empty center, depending on your preferences. To add more context, we can label each segment of the donut chart. Go to Format Graph again and select Labels. From here, you can position labels within or outside each segment and choose the font style that matches the rest of your presentation. And that's it, a professional-looking donut chart made in just a few steps with Graphpad Prism. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more science software tutorials on BioInfo Tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.